It's February 4th and we're doing the Minute Cryptic, and our clue today is behind schedule, chasing trains, I went express internationally, question mark, meaning there could be something extra tricky going on here, as if they aren't always tricky. So maybe we'll have something meaning schedule first, and then chasing trains will go behind that. We could also substitute behind schedule for late. Chasing feels like an indicator to me, but I don't know. I'm a little stuck on this one, and I'm surprised it's a par three. Behind schedule, chasing trains. Like, chasing to me could only really give placement. Like, it's going to be, maybe it's coming after something. And then, okay, let's go to the last part of the clue. I went express internationally. Oh, express, like if you express something, you could say it. So that could be a homophone indicator. Went. So we either need to say these words out loud and think of a homophone, or we need to think of like a substitution for those words and then think of a homophone for that, which is always challenging for me. Express internationally? Could schedule be an anagram indicator? In the same way that like organize is an anagram indicator? Like, I don't really think so, but behind schedule, chasing trains. I went express internationally. I can't think of any word for internationally that has a homophone. I can't really think of any word for internationally, honestly. Okay. I feel like maybe I just figured something out. So I was thinking behind schedule was going to be late, but if that is chasing something, I was thinking like, well, it could be trains late. And couldn't translate, like if you say trains out loud, that could mean to express something internationally. Although it's not trains I went. Let's just try it. Okay, I'm a little confused. So how I got there was I was thinking behind schedule is late and it's chasing trains. Trains late. And then I thought, hey, trains late sounds a lot like translate, but I don't know about trains I went. And then our definition is express internationally. So let's look at the clues. Duh. So if our definition was express internationally, express was never going to be a homophone indicator. So that thinking that it was a homophone indicator kind of helped me because I was able to think about the sound of the clue being a little bit more stretchy, but that was never an indicator. That's our definition. I went is wordplay. So we took trains and the I went. Deletion indicator. The I left trains. So then trains with no I goes into our clue. And then behind schedule, substituted for late, is chasing trains with no I. Okay, and all that means to express internationally. I'm glad I got this with no hints. I'm sorry I didn't talk about it more as I was doing it, but obviously this is another one where I kind of stumbled into the answer, which definitely happens to me sometimes. Sometimes I just figure it out literally off of definition, and as satisfying as it is to uncover every single indicator, I also do think it's kind of fun when you get the answer and then you do some backwards thinking to figure out how you got there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Let me know how you did with this clue, and I'll see you tomorrow.